Pipelines are a way to visualize your sales process. More specifically, it's a way to visualize the admissions process that you bring prospective families through from inquiry all the way to a completed enrollment. Now, we've added a few pipelines to your account, but you may need to make changes to them or even create other pipelines, maybe that don't even necessarily represent an admissions process, but a re-enrollment process or something else like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create totally new pipelines, how to edit pipelines, and how to delete pipelines. To get started, simply click on the Opportunities tab on the left and then click Pipelines. You're going to see a few pipelines already created, maybe more or less than what is shown here. But let's say we want to make a change to the inquiry to enrollment pipeline. I can simply click this pencil icon right here. And we have a few options. One, we can move steps around by clicking and dragging it to a different position. Let's move that back. We can also change whether that step shows up in different reports. So let's say that you have a step that is technically a part of the pipeline, but you don't want to measure conversion rates based on that step. You could have different reasons for this. We won't go into those specific use cases right now. In most instances, I would leave both of these checked so you can have maximum visibility into how well you're doing throughout the process. You can also click the trash can to, of course, delete that step. If you need to add a step to your process, you're going to click the blue Add Stage button, and it'll appear at the bottom. And then after you've added that stage, you can move it wherever it needs to be in the pipeline. So that's how to edit. Let's go back here and look at how to add a brand new step. We're not going to save those changes. If you want to add a brand new pipeline, you would naturally click the blue Create Pipeline button. And it's going to look just like the screen you saw before, just in a slightly different kind of box here. But you can name the pipeline for your internal purposes, the steps, order the steps, all the same things you saw before. You can also delete a pipeline by clicking the trash can icon. It's going to warn you that when you do this, it's going to remove all those opportunities. That doesn't mean it will delete the contacts themselves, but rather that if Joe was in the enrollment pipeline and you click delete, then his connection to that pipeline will be erased, as you might expect. So just be cautious about deleting them so that you don't lose information about who is where in the process of enrollment or signing up for summer camp or whatever else you may use the pipeline for. And that's it. Once you've made the changes here, they'll be reflected out here where you see the pipeline at a glance.